This video I will explain how to change your default bank account in Google Pay. When you use Google Pay, you may have more than one bank account linked to your Google Pay app. The default bank account is the one Google Pay uses first when you send money to someone. You can change this default account at any time. What you need? You must already have Google Pay app installed in your smartphone and at least two bank accounts added to Google Pay. Now we will see how to change your default bank account. Open Google Pay on your mobile phone. On the main screen, find the section called Bank Accounts. If you do not see it directly, tap on your profile picture or initial at the top right. Then choose Bank Account. You will now see a list of all linked bank accounts. Select the bank account that you want to set as default. Inside the bank account page, look for the option called Set as Primary Account or Set as Default. Tap on that option. Google Pay may ask you to verify or confirm. Allow it to complete. What happens after you change the default account? When you send money, Google Pay will use the new default bank account. You can still receive money in any linked account. The default only affects sending money, not receiving money. Now we will see important points to remember. UPI ID is linked to your bank account. When you change your default bank account, the UPI ID you use may also change. UPI ID is also called virtual payment address. Changing the default does not remove your old bank account. It simply changes which one is used first. Open Google Pay, click here, and here you can see the bank account. Click on this, and inside that you can see linked bank accounts. From that, you can choose one of the bank account as primary.